Hello everyone, today we're at a property and we're going to be doing a sewer camera inspection. One of the most costly repairs inside your property is when your sewer lines have to be replaced. There's a couple things we like to do before we get started. One of those is to go inside and document all the water damage that the backups might have caused. Second, we want to understand what are the symptoms the customer is experiencing. And third, the original reason why we came out here and what are the reasons for the inspection. We take these inspections seriously because having to replace your sewer lines may involve ripping up your floors and redoing your bathrooms, laundry, and kitchen. This can be more damaging than a Category 5 hurricane hitting your house. Now that we have a good idea of the layout of the home and the background of the symptoms, let's start our camera inspection. We typically start by running the camera either through a cleanout or through a vent stack located at the top of the roof. Once we have the high quality HD camera inside the pipe, we're able to find pipes with cracks, misaligned joints, collapsed pipes, invasive tree roots due to broken pipes, and access the condition of the entire septic system. If we find an issue inside the pipe, then we locate the exact spot inside the home with our location device. We also mark the rest of the pipe around the house with blue or red tape to understand where all the pipes are running. Now that we have an overall outline of where all the pipes are going inside the home and the locations of the pipes where they're broken, we can now sketch a drawing inside of our iPad and finish our detailed report. To determine where your clogs are occurring or future clogs can occur, this requires an in-depth inspection and a comprehensive report to fix your problem quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video helped you understand how these camera inspections are done. If you'd like to schedule an appointment with one of our technicians, call us in today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, we Total Leak got you covered.